Hello guys, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to animate in Canva. So let's get started. At first, log in to your Canva account and start a design or open an existing one. Select the elements you want to animate and click on the Animate button. You can find this in the toolbar at the top. Choose from the available animation styles provided by Canva. Click on the play button to preview the animation and make adjustments as needed. Once you are satisfied, you can download your design. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.